guys, what's going on? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. I appreciate you guys tuning in. It ain't always about barbecue. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hearty meal here at home. You guys stay tuned. It's going to come out fantastic. I better hurry up. My tortilla's going to burn. You guys, check it out. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to show you guys how to make a simple, quick, hearty meal. I'm in the mood for meat and potatoes, and I am going to take these 6 gold potatoes and some simple ingredients, and I'm going to show you how to make a very, very hearty meal. So first thing we got to do is peel these potatoes, and as I'm looking through my drawer, I'm going to find I got all kind of potato peelers, and these are probably some of the most common that you can find out in the store. Here's one. Heck, I haven't even taken the safety label off of it. You guys see that right there? It says safety on it. I haven't even taken that off. And this one's just like it. And these work pretty simple. You know, you just peel a potato. But this is not the potato peeler I use. This is the potato peeler I use. Okay, this is a great potato peeler. Let me show you what I mean. Let me get these over here on the side and watch this. I mean, it just works. It works fantastic. So I'm going to get these potatoes peeled, and we're going to get them diced up and cut up, and we're going to get them ready. I'm going to show you a little trick that I do with my potatoes. And man, this potato peeler, look at that, I'm done. Done. Boom. There we go, 6 potatoes nice and peeled. Now we got to get them cut up, diced up. And I'm going to be taking my Dell Strong knife, cutting this bad boy right down the middle. Cut it one more time. There we go. Being careful not to cut yourself, because these knives are extremely sharp. Alright, and here we go. And that's about what you want. You want something about that size. Okay, so I'm going to get the rest of these potatoes cut up, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So here we go. Let's give these potatoes a little rinse. I'm going to show you what we get out of this thing. Now look at that. You see that cloudy, murky water? That's all starch. So what I like to do to my potatoes, I give them a nice little rinse until the water is nice and clear. Don't lose no potatoes while you're rinsing them. There we go. And one more how to do it. So I got my favorite frying pan out, or actually my cast iron pan. I'm going to set it to medium to low, and we are going to put a little bit of cooking oil. Just a little bit of cooking oil is what we need so we can get these potatoes fried up a little bit. That should be good enough. We'll let that come up to temp, and then we'll get started. Let me show you what kind of meat we're going to be using. Got me roughly 2 pounds of ground beef right here. Probably like an 80-20. And the seasoning that I'm going to be using, let me see if I can get this in there, is my JP all-purpose. Very good blend of salt, pepper, garlic. I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit on here. Just enough for a seasoning. And then we're going to get it all blended up. Ooh, man, that smells so good. So we'll get this blended up, and we'll be ready for the cast iron. Alright, here we go. Cast iron should be nice and hot. We'll test it out with just a few potatoes. That's what you want. That nice little sizzle. Go ahead and get these bad boys in there. There we go. And I am going to add a little bit more of my J.P.BBQ in there. Oh man, that thing smells so good. It's gonna come out good, guys. So we want to give these potatoes a quick little turn. Make sure they're not sticking, and that's what you want. You want them to be like a little golden brown on the bottom. Give them a little turn, that way they get nice and toasty on both sides. And we'll be ready to add the meat in just a little bit. So if you want to add a little bit more color to these potatoes, I'm going to show you something. This isn't mine, but this is from Badia. It's called Sazon Tropical. And this stuff works so good. Check that. It'll add some great flavor, and it will also add some great color to your potatoes, or just about anything you want to cook. I've used this in rice too. There we go, and that should be good right there. That's got good smell. That partner with the J.P.BBQ, you can't go wrong. Check them out. Yes, sir. So now that these potatoes are kind of semi-cooked, we're going to go ahead and get them out of here. We're just going to place them here in another container, stainless steel container, and we got to get this ground beef in here. This is gonna be good. Yes, sir. So I get this ground beef cooked up some, and we get the potatoes back in there, and we'll be ready to fix us up a meal. Go ahead and add a little bit of spice to our, hearty meal. Got me a nice little jalapeno right here. Just cut this bad boy right down the middle. And we're gonna get it cubed up really nice. Got me a little bell pepper right here, actually half of a bell pepper. So left over from another meal. So I'll cut the seeds out. And here we go. That nice flavor right here. And I'm gonna do the same thing with it. I'm gonna chop them up really nice and cubed up is what I'm talking about. And woo, man, I'm tell you, this Dow Strong knife right here, this is one sharp knife, baby. Can't forget about the onion. And I'm only going to use half an onion. I like peeling my onion like this. Getting the outside layer out. And here's how I like doing dicing my onions. I start off from the top. Take my knife, go towards the middle, and then cut them up like this. And then what you're left with is just that little stem right there. And you got you some nice little diced onions as well. One of my favorite ingredients, the cilantro. Oh my gosh. We're going to garnish this meal, this hearty meal, with a helping of cilantro. Get out of here. And you don't need to cut this up. Just something like that is what you're looking for. So let's go over there and check our meat out. Oh yeah, this is done. Let's go ahead and add these potatoes back in here. It's going to be a smorgasbord of a hearty meal. We'll get our potatoes mixed up in there. Man, that looks... I ate that all by itself right there. That looks good. Look at that, guys. Yeah, buddy, that looks really good. So, now we'll go ahead and add the vegetables. I'm about to knock my other camera off. Start off with the jalapenos, the peppers, and the onions. We'll put the cilantro in just a little bit. Don't want that to get all wilted up. But we want to get these other vegetables in there, cooking with this meat and potatoes. Oh yeah, just look at that beautiful color. we are gonna have us some fantastic food, guys. And this did not take long. You know, this is about a, I don't know, 30-40 minute meal. Yeah, it took me longer to set up my cameras. Little cast iron skillet, Mexican people call it a comal, and we use it to cook tortillas on it. I've actually used this to do biscuits in the oven. Works really, really good. Let me show you the tortillas that I'm going to be cooking up. These are tortilla land, fresh, ready to cook, and they're actually it's actually raw tortilla dough. But these work perfect. I get these at my local Costco. Check yours out. See if you got them. I mean, they're almost as good as homemade, made fresh, mom used to make type tortillas. And here's what they look like. Right there. That's a beautiful flour tortilla. Still kind of raw. So we're going to let this comal heat up a little bit, and we're going to cook us up some tortillas. Here we go. Get this tortilla flipped over and watch that baby rise. Get it cooked on both sides, and these tortillas are going to be good. I'm probably going to make me about 6 or 8 of them. You know, some for me, some for the family. Gotta feed the family, of course. Like it when it puffs up like that. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, that's beautiful. These are great tortillas. Got my tortilla. Beautiful looking tortilla. Got some refried beans back there in the bag. You guys check them out. Gonna just put a dollop of some beans on there. And then we're gonna start building this taco right here. Ooh, yeah. I think I might have gone a little bit too much, but that looks great. Let me put it over here. I'm ready to do a taste test. Oh, hold on a second. I'm forgetting something. How am I going to forget about one of my favorite ingredients? Love me a Hass avocado. Let's cut into this bad boy. See what this avocado looks like. Here we go. Where is it at? Oh my gosh, that is a beautiful, beautiful avocado. Just love it. All right, gonna get me a little bit right here. Yeah, wonderful taco. Meat and potatoes. Just look at that. Meat and potatoes. You can't go wrong with that thing. It's time to give it a little taste test. Let me get this bad boy wrapped up. Here we go, guys. Let's give it a taste test. Let me give you a little quick look-see at it. Oh, that thing look just great. Oh my gosh, I am ready to eat. Here we go. Oh my god. The avocado is what I tasted first. It was fantastic. But the ground beef seasoned with my J.P.BBQ along with that badilla seasoning, the potatoes, the onions, the peppers, the cilantro, the refried beans. Quick and simple, easy meal, guys. You can't go wrong with it. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. I'll put links to all my social media. Feel free to follow me if you want. Feel free to visit the website. It'll pop up right there. It's where I sell my products. Help supports this channel. And again, guys, I appreciate y'all, but I'm going to eat me a taco. I love y'all. Y'all take care, and I'll see y'all on the next one.